Your turn to pick. Your turn to pick. Your turn to pick. Your turn to pick.
I speak for the trees.
Prepare for battle.
Leaving. Nature calls. By hidden paths. In sylvan shade.
"30 seconds to battle." It starts now!
The season arrives. Yes. So I go. By my shaggy bark. Denied. Branch out! A bit of green. Through shady lanes.
First blood.
First blood. What fundamental principle of warfare? Go green! On my way. Uproot the foe! By the wilds! Yes. With a wild spirit. In green, I go. En route. Leaving. Power wells up from within. Through shady lanes. In green, I go. Naturally.
Denied.
Oh, too bad. No. En route. The wild is calling. Green turns to gray. I could not bear to be away from the sacred woods.
Grind me down.
Yes. Now you're true. In sylvan shade. Nature calls. Yes.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Protect the bottom tower, or it will be lost. Hurry! We may save the bottom tower yet.
with a wild spirit.
I am afraid.
On my way. So I go. By my shaggy nose, is no more. Yes.
They're attacking your top tower. Will they never stop?
Limber up. With a wild spirit. On my way. Through shady lanes. So I go. In green, I go. Autumn comes too soon.
But I'm not. Nature is not always kind.
This is spring already.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Bird and fury.
Think about it. The middle tower is under attack.
For the trees. Leaving. En route. Naturally. By my shaggy bark. By hidden paths. Nature calls. Yes. I'm under attack. Branching out. By hidden paths.
Look to the top tower. They're attacking. Your top tower is under attack.
Light, air, and water. I have seen the world without them. On my way. Yes. By my shaggy bark. Nature calls.
All hands to the top tower. It's under attack.
Unstoppable.
I shake your corpse in Oh, yeah!
How could it be any other way?
Green and gold. I see my woods again. With a wild spirit. Through shady lanes. Green is good. Leaving. By leaf and limb.
As was meant.
In green, I go.
Wicked sick.
In sylvan shade. My hidden
Oh no! The top tower! It's under attack!
How sweetly the sap flows.
Oh no! The top tower! It's under attack! It seems Dire has chosen to strengthen their structures. We've destroyed their middle tower. Onward!
Monster kill!
That's it then. The top tower is no
By
more.
my shaggy bark. Double damage. I answer the wild's call, so I go under attack. Attack! En route! On my way. I'm not ready. Yes. In green, I go.
I run.
Look to the top tower. They're attacking.
More losses.
All hands to the top tower. It's under attack.
Nature's guardian returns.
Your top tower is under attack.
Green is good. Wild is my way.
Your top tower has fallen.
With a wild spirit. Leaving. In sylvan shade. Yes.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Naturally. Yes.
Killing spree.
Green wrath. Through shady lanes. In green, I go. Naturally. Nature's ferocity. So I go. Nature's ferocity.
Holy shit.
Displaying their usual lack of imagination, they're going straight for your middle tower. The enemy's top tower has fallen. I wouldn't want to be in that middle tower at this moment.
The wild is calling.
The middle tower is done for. Pay full attention now.
Sacred
Ritual.
At the very least, dire structures will be temporarily harder to destroy. At last, we've destroyed their top tower. Blast it. They're after your middle tower. Your middle tower has fallen.
Again, the sun warms my limbs. With a wild spirit. Nip in the bud. Never seen you before.
Shouldn't be tired.
An exquisite toxin.
Consciousness is
I'm glad to leave that place. In sylvan shade. By hidden paths. By my shaggy buff. Ah, the sun in my leaves. On my way. For the trees! Nature calls. How sweetly the sap flows. Nature calls. By my shaggy bark. Yes. Green wrath. I the wild. Power make a fine humus. By leaf and limb. On my way. So I go. En route. Naturally. Leaving. Wild is my way. My hidden paths. In sylvan shade. Through shady lanes. Attack!
Blast it! They're after your middle tower!
With a
It will be
wild
harder to take down Dire's structures now that they are fortified.
branch out.
Displaying their usual lack of imagination, they're going straight for your middle tower. Their bottom is hanging out in the breeze. They have no bottom tower. Your middle tower is under attack.
Through Through shady lanes.
For the love of... They destroyed your middle tower. I'm afraid they've advanced to the middle barracks. We must defeat them. The good news is that Radiant structures will be much harder to damage now. It's the middle barracks. That's superb! We've taken down their bottom tower. Can they really have attacked our middle barracks? Splendid! The enemy won't find a bottom barracks at their disposal any longer.
With a wild spirit. So I go. By hidden paths. In sylvan shade. I'll just take a cut. Yes. In green, I go. By my shaggy bark.
What have I wrought?
Leaving. En route. Uproot the foe! On my way. A bit of green. Double kill. Wolf rises. In green, I go. The other with a wild spirit. Ah! Go green! Burn and fury! Through shady lanes. Ah, what golden greening. In sylvan shade. Leaving. By hidden paths. Naturally.
Invisibility!
Attack! By my shaggy bark.
what we need. The enemy has no more top tower. It will be harder to remove radiant structures now that they are fortified.
On my way. En route.
Dire structures are fortified.
So I go inside the fire. Leaving so soon? Yes. My hidden paths. Leaving. So I go. Naturally. En route. Yes. With a wild spirit. I'll just take a cutting. Limber up. In green, I go. In sylvan shade.
Killing spree. Dominating. Mega triple kill.
We have absolutely obliterated their top barracks. Onward!
For the
They've
train.
pushed to the middle barracks. Let's stop them. No more top barracks for our enemies.
Through shady lane.
Your middle barracks are under attack. Be aware, your middle barracks has just fallen.
Who fells me?
And just like that, it's lost. Farewell, middle barracks.
I sprout anew. On my way. The wild is calling. Pruned. Wild is my way. By the wilds. Branch out. Nature calls.
Roshan's death comes at the hands of the dire.
Talons. By my shaggy bark. Snip. On my way. Leaving. Through shady lanes. No Nature calls. By my shaggy bark.
Dire has made it much harder to bring down their structures. They're fortified. Radiant structures are fortified.
This wolf will howl again.
Be quick about it. The middle tower is under attack.
The sun's pale sister shines upon my leaves. By leaf and limb. In sylvan shade. New life will make its home amongst your bones. Ah, the sun. You've gone green, I see.
Set your clocks.
With a wild spirit. So I go.
Campaign. Ask not for whom the spell tolls.
By hidden paths. Yes. With a wild spirit. In sylvan shade. The seeds of fortune. It's not hiding. By hidden paths. Naturally. Nature calls. just ferocity. Yeah. Through shady lanes. I'm under attack.
Enemy's middle tower offline. They've lost their middle tower to us.
By my shaggy bark.
Radiant has made it much harder to take down their structures. They're fortified.
En route.
The Dire have claimed victory. What a performance!
Yes!
By the Shaper's will, what have we